Did you know you can make your own perfume in just a couple of minutes? Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make natural products they can use every day in your home. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make your own natural perfume using essential oils and Simply Earth's Perfumer's alcohol. The recipe we're going to make smells beautifully rich with a little hint of musk. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this Amber Musk Perfume recipe from Simply Earth together. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure that you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products. That's why if you get Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essentials recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe shipped straight to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also get the ingredients to make this recipe at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essentials recipe box. To make this recipe, you are going to need 2 teaspoons of Perfumer's alcohol, 7 drops of Simply Earth's Focus Essential Oil Blend, 3 drops of patchouli essential oil, and you'll need a 10 milliliter spray bottle like this one available at simplyearth.com. Subscribers can add products like this to their box for a 10% off discount and free shipping. You can also use a 10 milliliter roll-on from your big bonus box. You'll be able to make this recipe in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to take my spray bottle, open it up. So first we are going to add our essential oils to our perfume bottle. So I'll be adding 7 drops of Focus, and 3 drops of patchouli, which is going to give us that hint of musk without it being too strong. These oils combine together to create a really complex, beautiful aroma that really smells like a perfume that you would buy at the store. I'm going to fill my spray bottle the rest of the way with Perfumer's alcohol. First, I'll give it a little swirl to mix those essential oils together. Let's add our Perfumer's alcohol. We're going to be adding 2 teaspoons. And to make it easier to pour into the small necked bottle, you can use a small funnel like we have available at simplyearth.com, or pour your alcohol first into a small pitcher like this. Now I'm going to slowly pour the alcohol into my perfume bottle and give it a swirl occasionally to help the alcohol solubilize the essential oils. I will now add the cap and give it a shake to help mix those essential oils. I love working with Perfumer's alcohol because it solubilizes essential oils and acts as a preservative, so this perfume will last forever. We did make this in a clear bottle, so store it out of sunlight to have the best shelf life. A true perfumer will allow their perfume to age a few weeks before using it so that the scent will develop more. Feel free to do that, or you can use it right away. So over time, the smell of this perfume will change a little bit as the essential oils and alcohol solubilize and develop and mature. Don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. To use it, you can apply it to your pulse points, and you will smell so good. This perfume smells so good, just like you would buy at the store, except it's made with natural ingredients you can feel good about. Plus, you can save a whole bunch of money because perfume is expensive. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make your own perfume using Simply Earth ingredients and recipe, take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth, and you'll automatically be entered into our hashtag I made this contest. You can learn about that contest in the description below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to get more natural recipes just like this.